What quality check should happen before leaving? Before any contractor packs up and leaves your home, they should walk through the finished work with you, test everything that was installed or repaired, clean up all debris and materials, and make sure nothing was damaged during the job. A quick final walkthrough with the homeowner is the single most important step because it catches problems while the crew is still there to fix them. Think of it like checking your homework before you turn it in. A good contractor tests every switch, faucet, or appliance they touch to make sure it actually works, not just that it looks finished. They look closely for small things like scratches on the floor, dust left behind, or leftover nails and screws that could hurt someone later. Something most people do not know is that many professionals use a written checklist for every single job, almost like a pilot going through steps before takeoff. Because memory alone lets things slip through the cracks. They also take photos of the finished work, which protects both the homeowner and the contractor if a question comes up later. A smart move you can do yourself is to ask for 5 extra minutes at the end just to flip switches, run water, and open doors together before they drive away. One common mistake is homeowners feeling awkward about slowing the contractor down, so they skip the walkthrough entirely. Do not feel bad about this, just ask politely for a few minutes together at the end, since it saves everyone a return trip later. Another misconception is thinking that if the area looks clean, the actual work must be done correctly. But a tidy space says nothing about wiring, plumbing, or structural work hidden behind walls. Always ask the contractor to specifically show you the important parts, not just the surface. A third thing people forget is getting everything in writing, since a verbal promise about a fix is easy to forget once the truck pulls away. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.